Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up iPhone to PC, Windows. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Method 1, iCloud. Go to Settings on your iPhone, and click on the Profile option available at the top of the settings page. Then it shows all the information regarding the profile. Tap on the iCloud option and it will take you to the iCloud settings. There, make sure that the iCloud backup is turned on. If not, tap on it. And enable the iCloud backup option by toggling the bar. That's it, the iPhone backups automatically to iCloud. If you want to backup manually, tap on the Backup Now option. Method 2, iMazing. iMazing is a premium iOS device manager that helps you to manage all the iPhone operations with ease. This has a user-friendly and powerful interface. iMazing helps to transfer all your data like music, contacts, photos, and much more from iPhone to PC and from PC to iPhone. This is available for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Highlights: easy to use. Allows to transfer all your data from iPhone to PC and vice versa. Update and reinstall iOS. Smarter backups. Powerful performance. Pricing. The prices of iMazing are displaying on screen. Now, let's back up iPhone to PC using iMazing. Firstly, visit the official site of iMazing and download the latest version to your computer. Check description for the download link. Install and launch the application. Then it asks you to connect the iPhone to computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer. It shows all the available options of iPhone. Click on the Backup option. Then it shows backup options. Customize those options according to your requirement. Later, click on the Backup option. That's it, iMazing starts to back up your iPhone. Method 3, Wondershare Dr.Fone. Wondershare Dr.Fone is one of the best tools that helps you to back up iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It allows you to preview and restore the previous data from iOS and Android devices. It helps you to restore the backup from various sources like iCloud, iTunes, etc. This is available in free and paid versions. Highlights: easy to use. Compatible with the latest iOS versions. Back up your data automatically and wirelessly. Previews the data before backup. Allows to restore the backup from selective sources like iCloud and iTunes. Pricing: Dr.Fone phone backup is available in 3 different plans, such as 1-year license, perpetual license, and 1-year business license. The prices of all the 3 plans are displaying on screen. Now, let's back up iPhone to PC using Wondershare Dr.Fone. Visit the official site of Wondershare and download the Dr.Fone application to your computer. Check description for the link. Install and launch the application. Then you will find all the available tools of Dr.Fone. Choose the Phone Backup tool by clicking on it. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then the application starts to create connection between iPhone and computer. Later, it shows the information of your iPhone is displaying on screen. Choose the data to backup by checking in the boxes. And click on Backup. That's it, Dr.Fone starts to back up iPhone to PC. And the status will be found as showing in the tutorial. It sends you notification once the backup process gets completed. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And, don't forget to hit the bell icon.